iostudy.net.
Hello everyone, this is Danielle, and in this video about English grammar, we're going to talk about the present simple and the present continuous tense, and the differences between them. So as you can see in the mind map, we have 1/2 for present continuous, 1/2 for present simple. Let's talk about the present continuous first. So we use the present continuous to talk about something happening right now, and an individual plan for the future. We also use the present continuous in a temporary situation. So, something is happening right now. Let's see some examples. Example number 1. Look, the bus is coming. And number 2, the water is boiling. So in both of these examples, something is happening right now. Okay, individual plan for the near future. Here are some examples. Number 1, I am preparing for her birthday next week. And number 2, she is cleaning the floor tomorrow. Okay, so both of these are individual plans for the near future. Now let's look at a temporary situation. So, here are a couple of temporary situations. Number 1, I'm living with some friends until I find a flat. And number 2, you're working hard today. So these are temporary situations. Okay, here's your mind map for present continuous. Let's go to the second half, where we'll talk about the present simple. Present simple. So we have 3 times when we talk about the present simple. When something happens in general or repeatedly, an action is set by a timetable or a schedule, and a permanent situation. So let's talk about something happens in general or repeatedly. Here are some examples. Number 1, Colin plays football every Tuesday. And number 2, most people learn to swim when they are children. So these are general or repeated actions. Okay, an action set by a timetable or a schedule. Here are some examples. Number 1, the film starts at 8 p.m. and the train leaves the station at 7 a.m. tomorrow. So these are both actions set by a timetable or a schedule. Finally, a permanent situation. Example number 1, my parents live in London. And number 2, John isn't lazy. He works very hard most of the time. So these are both permanent situations. Okay, now we have our completed mind map for present simple and present continuous. Now let's click here to talk about the outline. So as you can see here, you have the present simple and present continuous outline. You can scroll through this page to find further examples and situations where they explain about the present simple and the present continuous. After reading this, you can go ahead and take the test, and in the next video, we will take the test together. So thank you for joining me in this video, where we learned about the present simple and the present continuous. In the next video, we will take the test together. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.